Hey everybody, I'm back. It's been a while, but I'm here with my October Stitch Fix. Now I'm doing every 3 months right now, so and I'm not really giving my stylist any sort of guidance or direction. I'm just sort of letting her surprise me, and that's fine. And I haven't had a whole lot of time to do these, so I missed April, July, July or August. It doesn't matter. Two. I've missed two at least. This is Harley and that is Ruby. They will be joining us today. They helped with the fashion shoot as usual. And let's go ahead and jump right in. My first item was the Warren split neck blouse, and this was really cute and it was lightweight, and it was a navy blue with white polka dots, and it was very similar to a top that they sent me maybe a year ago. It was navy blue that had little like dandelions on it, almost little tiny dandelions, and so I didn't keep this top, but it was really cute, and I hope you like the outfit I put together for it. The next item is the Abriana, I guess, long sleeve knit cardigan, and this was super comfortable, really, again, not too heavy of a material, lightweight, good for fall. But I don't wear red that often, at least, yeah, no, I don't wear red that often, and I have a lot of sweaters from Stitch Fix, and so I didn't keep it. The next item is the Oleta scallop detail collared blouse, and I wasn't sure what to think about this top when I pulled it right out of the box. It is definitely not something I would have picked out for myself or tried on in a store or anything, but it was kind of cute when I put it on, and I kind of liked the outfit that I put together, but ultimately I sent it back because I didn't know when I would wear that top. It was super cute though. It was. Next is the Floyd chambray top, and it's a dark chambray, which I really liked, and I am guilty of keeping this item. I've gotten, oh, I think this is like my third or fourth chambray top from Stitch Fix, and I always keep them. I have a problem. I do. With chambray. But it was really comfortable and I liked it, and you could roll the sleeves down. They'll be full long sleeves. Can't go wrong. Not at all. Last but not least, the Emily coated skinny jean, and these were not jeans. These were I don't, maybe they're pleather. I'm not sure, but I've been trying to find leather pants for a long time now, and maybe it was because it was hot today, and I didn't keep these, and I kind of regret that. I should have kept those pants. Ruby Soho, everyone. Boop. You cool? Anyway, that was my October Stitch Fix. My next one will be in January, I guess. So yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Say bye, Ruby.